letter D. We are gonna start with one heavy downstroke, and then you're gonna go light, heavy, light. For the lowercase, you'll make your oval first, starting at that 1 o'clock space. And then you'll start right here for the second part, and we'll go light, heavy, light. For the angled, very similar. So there is our angled downstroke, and then light, heavy, light. Our 1 o'clock starting point oval, and then kind of a elongated underturn stroke. And then something I might do if I was adding some extra flair. So our downstroke, light, heavy, light. Like with one of the past letters, I might come in and do that. I might do that. And for the letter D, what I like to do a lot is either that or, and this one gets a little trickier, I kind of start curve and then, so don't feel like you have to do some of your additions in one fluid motion. You can add those at the end. You can even get it down like your design and then add on to it with a whole nother layer, retracing your work to get it more fluid. Again, things we'll cover kind of as we go on, but I just want to give you some extra options as you work through these simple letters.